What's up, YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. Hope you guys are doing well. So tomorrow we have a pretty big day. We have a really large roof wash and window cleaning. We got our 28-foot little giant ladder there with the stabilizer. We're gonna need every bit of that tomorrow. We're gonna clean their windows, and then they have a little commercial style shop, little business downtown Mountain Brook, which is a really wealthy area. And we're gonna clean their windows, and they want it done quite frequently. So got my window cleaning. That's a DI, just pure water system I've been using. Works well. It's nothing fancy, gets the job done. We're gonna be using my 12-volt system there. We don't do a whole lot of roof washing, and we don't clean a whole lot of windows. So that's why we have this. I mean, it's a decent little system. You know, if we started cleaning a lot of roofs, I'll probably put my gas roof pump back on the truck and then buy, you know, a 3-stage, water fed pole system. But until then, I'm gonna keep what I have. It works well, just not as efficient as other systems. So my wife's going out of town for a week to visit some family in Oklahoma, so I'm gonna really nail down finishing up my truck, getting it plumbed up, or my new machine here. And we're actually in the market for looking for a shop to store our equipment, our trucks. And my business partner has a trailer. I have this truck, and we need to get it out of the elements, out of the cold, the winter, and then just out of the rain. So we're looking for a place to store our equipment and have an office attached to it, somewhere we can kind of call our home base as a business. So we got a lot of things to do before next year. We got a lot of big things coming. Probably gonna hire a couple guys as well. So anyways, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Big roof wash, some window cleaning, and we just have a busy week. So see y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm up on this roof. Have a beautiful view today. Let me walk up here. Whew. Roof is kind of wet now. Get from this peak. Check out this view. That's my high school over there I went to. I've already cleaned this section of roof. Fanning everything at about a 5%. About to hit that little section right there around the chimney. I've got everything. I got this J-Rod on fan. Saves you a lot of SH. I'd rather just walk a little bit more. Use fan. It'll save you on SH. Using a 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow pump, 12-volt system. Let that chill. Got the 1/2-inch Flexzilla up here. This roof was completely black. Looks awesome. One more look at the view, and I'm gonna finish up, and we're gonna start cleaning some windows. All right, guys, we are in a very wealthy neighborhood. This is in Mountain Brook, Alabama. It's about 15 minutes from my house. Beautiful neighborhood. A lot of big homes in here. So I'm doing a dual cleaning here. This lady here contacted me to clean her side of the driveway. As you can tell, they share a driveway. But she called me to clean all of the stone here. She's having a party on Thursday and decided to get it done last minute. So she got a premium price. We had to move around our schedule. But we're gonna get all this cleaned up for her. Get it looking good. I'm going to pre-treat this with about 3%. Get it cleaned up nicely. And then come over it with the Big Guy surface cleaner. Gonna get that green off the wall for her. Pretty straightforward job. I'm gonna start with the driveways. Get this knocked out. I'm gonna run the 8 gallon per minute machine here. So I'm gonna fire up and get going.